Going to move now from Chris, about 25 miles northeast, just across the Indiana border. Our Sharday Gray is live in hard-hit Lake Village.
Sharday, Indiana's governor is getting a close look at the damage there today.
Yeah, that's right, Joe and Erica. Governor Mike Braun toured parts of Lake Village as crews are working overtime picking up the pieces after a tornado ripped this town apart. We had a chance to speak with a gentleman who says that tornado was trailing him as he was driving.
I'm riding in my truck and I'll be just kind of shouting out, talking to this guy I know, Jesus and the Holy Spirit.
Relying on his faith, Hugh Ulrich says that's all he could do when he was being tossed around inside his car by a massive tornado.
I was clearly just doing some huge jumping, jacking thing and moving side to side. And so I don't hardly know what to tell, but I thought this is now a tornado attack on a guy in a vehicle.
Tuesday night, he was driving in this white Ford Ranger when he saw the storm in his rearview mirror.
But it was just a big thing. It was a couple 100 feet wide, and I saw that's what that is.
It was a massive tornado ripping apart a town of about 1,800 people in Lake Village, killing an elderly couple.
My next door neighbors, who I like very much, were quite near to my property, so they're just right there on the right side. They were all killed.
His neighbors, Ed and Arlene Kozlowski, who were in their 80s, died after the tornado leveled their home. The Newton County Coroner's Office say their preliminary cause of death has been ruled as multiple blunt force trauma. Now, there are claims that the sirens did not go off Tuesday night. We did get a chance to speak with Governor Braun, and he says that they test their tornado warning sirens once a month at 4 p.m. And he says they will look into if they went off or not. Reporting live in Lake Village, Indiana, Sharday Gray, CBS News, Chicago.
Thanks, Sharday.